transfer, online TISA transfer, recruitment. So everything is going ahead in full swing. We have created a high-level committee for National Education Plan policy. The draft NEP implementation plan has been ready. Rajya Shiksha Ayog has been formed. In our next cabinet, we are going to divide our system the way in the policy it has been envisaged. Foundation, preparatory, elementary, on that format we are going to notify our education policy on 25th of this month, and we are also going ahead with setting up of different new university. We have already shortlisted that our Autonomous College of Lakhimpur, Nagaon and Jorhat JB Law College along with Sibsagar College and Handy College will be given the status of university in next 2 years of time. We are going ahead. We are not waiting for 2034. We are going ahead